y'all, it's Kylie, and today I'm going to tell you why you're brushing your hair wrong. Wait, don't leave me angry comments just yet. Hear me out. If you haven't tried out these beauties yet, I'm about to change your life. This is Beauty by Earth's detangling brush, and this is their Boar Bristle brush. Let's talk about detangling first. It's got these bristles that are rigid enough to work through knots, while flexible enough to keep your hair from pulling or breaking. You can use it anytime on any type of hair. It just works. And then we have this guy, the Boar Bristle brush. Let's just get this out of the way first. Yes, this brush uses bristles that come from real actual boars. But trust me, no animals were harmed in the making of this brush. They're happy boars. And when you see what boar bristles do for your hair, you'll be happy too. Brushing with the Boar Bristle brush helps to take the natural oils your scalp produces and takes them down your dry, brittle hair ends. This makes your hair healthier, less frizzy, better conditioned, and less prone to breakage, all from a simple brushing. While you can use this like a regular brush, to really get the most out of your boar bristles, I recommend this method. Sit up straight, then bend over at your waist. Brush from your scalp at the nape of your neck, working down to the ends. Work in sections to make sure that every part gets brushed. Do this twice a day to encourage hair growth and keep your hair looking great. Beauty by Earth brushes are gentle and won't pull your hair. And on top of featuring bristles from happy boars, the handles are made from sustainable bamboo. Check them out. They're really going to change how you look at your hair.